this is Mr. Bridge again, comes from Fujian Xinhong Mac Electric Limited. Today I will introduce the two types of the working model of this machine and also the three timer of the controller. But before everything, I have old questions again. Do you still remember what we have taught in last chapter? If you forget, please review it again, okay? And so right now I will start to introduce the operation. So based on this machine, we have taught you in last chapters. For the controllers, we have three timers for the machine and also semi-automatically and fully automatically working model. Okay, so right now we have already set it to the automatical working mode, and I will show you what will be what it will be under the P-6. It is 0. Okay, you can see here the value on procedure 6. It is 0. It means there will not the three timers, and it is only a simple working method. Like if I give a press, the machine will start to move from side to side and also give a hip press like this. Because right now it is under the automatically working mode, so it will move by itself after the hip press and give another hip press like this. This is under the conditions of P-6. It is 0. Okay, like this. It will move the shuttle of the machine. It will move from side to side by it automatically, and and later I will show you the working method if it is in 1. Okay. Press the emergency button can stop it to the next press. So what we need to do right now, it is set the P-6 to 1, and right now you will enter into the semi-automatically working mode. And why we have to set the working mode to be semi-auto open, and here have a switch. You have to change it. And also under this working mode, we have to work with the machine by this foot pedal. You can see here. And before operate, I need to introduce it first. Right now we have three timers for the machine, and another one is that from side to side it will not move by automatically unless we give a foot press by this one. Okay. So we need to do is right now you will find some differences. The timing setting it will appear P to 1, to 2, and to 3. In order to speed the procedures so I set each of the time shorter. Like this one, P to 1, it is preheating, so I set it to like 3 seconds. And to 2, it means the heat transfer, so the time we set it to be longer, like 5 seconds. And for the last one, P to 3, it means the reinforce. We set it to in order to verify it, so I think 2 seconds is okay. So okay, keep it in your mind and see here P-6 is 1. So right now if I give a press to the working button like this, you will start to give a preheating. And you will find there has a difference. You will now move here to another place. So we have to do the press again, and you will find here the timing is for the heat transfer. And after the heat transfer finish, we have to press again to start the final procedure, the reinforce 2 seconds. Okay, after this circle, after this 3 timer is finished, the one whole circle is finished, and use this foot pedal, we can make the shuttle move from side to side like this. I think it is very easy for you guys to understand, maybe to comprehend. And after the shuttle move from side to another side, we can press it start to the next 3 timer. Like the first one is preheating. Preheating is finished, and press again for the heat transfer about 5 seconds, like this. And again for the reinforce about 2 seconds. Like now it is finished for the whole circle of the double stations 3 timer and working on the semi-automatically with the foot pedal. Okay, so right now I will show you the working mode under automatically, and also with the with the 3 timer. Okay, so first press E. You will come back to the left position because this is the first state of it. Okay, like because just now I think you guys don't see the setting. We enter into P-6, and right now the value we set it to 2. Okay, under this condition, the foot pedal will now work again, and everything will be based on these 2 green buttons to start the reinforce, preheating, and heat transfer. Okay, so right now I will show you. Press. It will start to give a press by itself, and this is for the preheating. After preheating finish, it will move from here to here for the next preheating. Like the principle is preheat, preheat, heat transfer, reinforce, reinforce, and then this is all the whole circle for the working method under automatically and with 3 timer. Okay, let's come to see it. This is the heat transfer, right? And after this side, the heat transfer is finished, you will move from another side for the heat transfer. After this one is finished, you will start to the another side for the reinforce. Yes, and another place for the final reinforce. After 2 seconds, the whole circle will be finished, like this. And it will start to the next circle, but we can use this quick release button to start the next operation. Okay. So today my introduction have finished. If you have any questions, please let me know on the comments area, or you can send us an email so that we can help you guys to solve each kind of the questions. Okay. Don't remember, if you have any questions, you can see this. You can watch these movies again and again, or send us a question list. Okay, see you next time.